kind of a slow day. I did my first grocery round. I got 80% of what I needed at the little grocery mart thing here, the only one in town. Now I'm headed to a Dollar General to get what was left of what I needed. And like I said, or if I said earlier, like I'm about to repeat, I think there's a laundromat right over there. I'm gonna check it out on the way back from the Dollar General to see if it's viable, and then if it is, I'm gonna grab all my clothes and hop over there for an hour or so. The cell phone reception here is so good that I think I can upload my videos. It might be that tower right there that makes it so good. But I uploaded 2 or 3 videos last night in my tent, and it didn't take any long. It was as if I had Wi-Fi, but I've not been able to back up my camera roll because it actually looks for Wi-Fi before it engages. So I'll see what I can do. If I don't know if I'm spending the whole day here, but the rain is supposed to let up around noon or 1. So I could still potentially get on trail this afternoon, and the first shelter is only a couple of miles in. Tricky part will be getting a ride to the trail. I mean, this is the dilemma. These are the perfect size because they're small, and it's $1, but I'll have to throw away 5 of them or give away. Thought I'd run through my resupply. Thought I'd run through my resupply I just made in Glasgow at the Glasgow Market and the Dollar General. If I don't get interrupted by people behind me, around me. There's my hammock. Nope, that's not mine. There's my hammock. Anyway, I got 6 of these different flavors of Nature's Bakery fig bars. I got a pack of, this is the dollar store, a pack of Lay's peanut butter Ritz cracker type of these. I got 3 Builder's protein bars, and then a bag of Jolly Rancher Duos. So that's all that, you know, supplementing my coffee with what they had, not my first choice. And then got 2 more rice sides and a pasta side. Here's the rice sides, Spanish rice. I got 2 of these. I was about to divvy them up into Ziplocs. And I've never seen this before, and I would love to try it, but a marinara pasta side that appears to be vegan from the ingredients list. So there's that, and then I got some spread. I still have peanut butter. If my peanut butter is lower than I thought it was, I can grab another jar of that when I go back out. 8 ounces of olive oil. I'll pour this over into my, I've got like a juice bottle. It has a much tighter lid on it than this. And not my favorite brand or first choice, but they had some hardware store Sterno brand isobutane. And for lunches, this with the jelly and the peanut butter, that's about 3 to 4 days worth of those. So that's everything I picked up at, I got this for the bottle. And this just for fun, because I've never had one. Rice Krispie squares are typically not vegan because they have gelatin in the marshmallow fluff, but this is made with something else. Probably just sugar, probably just corn syrup and corn flakes. It's all corn. But I didn't see anything on there that makes it not vegan, so I'll give that a review later. And I'm snacking on some of these right now. And I got some coffee at the gas station, so. This I got for the bottle. I'm sure I'll drink it eventually, but I mainly need the bottle because the other one fell off the side of the mountain. And I invested in 6 rolls of half-sized or mini-sized rolls of toilet paper, but it was $1 for all 6, and I only need 1, so I'm donating 5 rolls of toilet paper to the hiker box. Oh, that's my rain jacket and my shirt. So that's a resupply run for 3 days of food. Maybe a little heavy on, I don't know, I'll see. I think that's about 3 days of food. All right, I'm walking to try to find the laundromat that is rumored to be here. Well, I know it's here, I just haven't seen it yet. Ow, Jesus, walking on this gravel, my sandals. What was I gonna say? So I'm carrying every stitch of clothing I have with me, I own at this point, and a rain jacket so I can also wash the shirt I'm wearing. And hopefully enough battery on my phone to do some of that work while the laundry is laundering. Sun came out, it's quite nice today. As you might have seen on that little poster back there, local church provides a hiker meal for hikers at the shelter on Monday nights. So maybe it's Memorial Day or maybe it's every Monday, I'm not sure. But that might be an incentive for me to stay and make this a zero. I was hoping to at least make it a Nero, but I'll have to read the fine print on that and talk to the others and see if they're staying for that. But that might be cool. And just get out of here and pound miles all the way to Waynesboro in the morning. Man, I keep getting gravel in my sandals. There we go. There's no sidewalk on this road, so I'll probably put this away and concentrate. Oh man, they have tanning too. So I'm sitting here at the laundromat in my kilt with my balls sticking to this bench. Thought I'd give this a try. I found this over at the market. What was the name of it? It's right outside the window here, but I can't see it. Peanut butter. Nothing like a Rice Krispie treat. Okay though. The road walk back to the hiker shelter. Everything's a road walk in this town, but it's never more than like a block and a half. It It went and got hot today. Gorgeous day, but the heat's up there, especially out here with no shade.